Welcome back, truck lovers. Today, we're taking a nostalgic ride back to the 1980s as we explore this beautifully preserved vintage Chevrolet pickup. Starting from the front, the truck greets us with a bold and unmistakable presence. The chrome grille stretches wide, with horizontal slats flanked by dual square headlights on each side, a design that defined the era. Now moving around to the back, the simplicity speaks volumes. The tailgate is stamped with large Chevrolet lettering, standing bold against a flat metal backdrop. Classic vertical tail lights sit at each corner, and a sturdy chrome bumper lines the bottom, equipped with a license plate frame and tow hitch, ready for work or weekend adventures. On the right side, we see the clean, boxy lines that made this generation of pickups so iconic. From the squared-off wheel arches to the long, straight bed, everything screams durability. Chrome side mirrors and door handles give a touch of class, while the steel wheels and raised stance remind us this truck was built to handle anything. Step inside, and you're greeted by a functional and classic dashboard. The analog gauge cluster gives you all the essential readings: speed, fuel, and engine temp. No screens here, just good old-fashioned driving. The front bench seat is wide and inviting, finished in durable vinyl or fabric. Finally, under the hood sits a hearty V8 engine, raw, mechanical, and beautifully straightforward. No plastic covers, no computers, just power, simplicity, and a lot of soul.